Namaste. Welcome everyone. Myself Anjali, school counselor, psychologist and therapist. This is collaborated video with the Glory Kiddies. In this workshop, I have covered so many questions of parents like how to deal with them, their stubbornness, their behavior in the home, at the school, in their social environment, everything. इस वर्कशॉप में हमने बहुत से पॉइंट्स क्लियर किए हैं, जैसे व्हाट इज़ पेरेंटहुड एक्चुअली इज़। नंबर 2, बच्चे का स्टबर्ननेस, बच्चे क्यों रोते हैं, उनके हर एक फीलिंग्स का क्या मतलब है। नंबर 3, बच्चे बोल नहीं पाते इसलिए रोते हैं और उनका हर एक रोने का मतलब एज ए पेरेंट हमें समझना होगा। नंबर 4, वाई डाइट इज़ सो मच इम्पॉर्टेंट। नंबर 5, their behavior in the school and their behavior at home. Last but not the least, I always take a live and innovative life skill activity for the parents to understand, to check their tolerance level, to understand their kids. Remember, a person is a person no matter how small.
Thank you, Namrata ma'am. Thank you, Glory Kids, for giving me this chance, the opportunity to deal with the parents, and to know their question answer interaction session was good. Yes or no? Yes. Thank you very much. Yeah. Do you want to say something? Yes.
Yeah, I thank Anjali ma'am
Yeah.
to involve all parents in the parenting session,
Yeah.
and I hope all parents are happy.